Boost your brain power. Master these simple memory tricks. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of memory tricks and techniques that can help you boost your brain power and improve your memory skills. Whether you are a student studying for exams, a professional aiming to enhance productivity, or someone simply interested in optimizing brain function, these simple tricks will prove invaluable. We will walk you through 5 powerful memory techniques that can be easily incorporated into your daily life. Get ready to unlock your brain's potential and become a master of memory. Welcome to MGM School YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to boost your brain power. Master these simple memory tricks video, where we explore effective techniques to enhance your memory and unleash your brain's full potential. Are you ready to take control of your memory? Whether you want to excel academically, improve productivity at work, or simply remember names and faces better, this video is for you. We will guide you through 5 easy to master memory tricks that will turbocharge your brain power. Are you tired of forgetting important details, struggling to recall information, or feeling mentally sluggish? Don't worry, help is here. In this video, we will introduce you to proven memory tricks that will revolutionize the way you retain and recall information. Memory trick 1: Chunking. Chunking is a powerful memory technique where you group information into smaller, more manageable chunks. By breaking down complex information into meaningful clusters, you make it easier for your brain to process and remember. For example, instead of trying to remember a long number sequence, such as 98765432210, you can chunk it into smaller groups like 98765432210. This way, your brain can handle the information more efficiently. Memory trick 2: Mnemonics. Mnemonics involve creating associations or visual images to improve memory retention. You can use acronyms, rhymes, or mental pictures to remember information. For instance, to remember the order of planets in our solar system, try creating a mnemonic like, "My very eager mother just served us nachos, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune." By associating the planets with a familiar phrase, recalling the order becomes effortless. Memory trick 3: Visualization. Visualization is an effective memory strategy where you create vivid mental images to aid recall. For instance, if you need to remember a shopping list, visualize each item in a unique and memorable way. If you need to buy apples, imagine juggling apples. If you need milk, visualize a cow pouring milk into a bucket. By associating images with objects, your brain can retain the visual cues and effortlessly retrieve the information later. Memory trick 4: Mind mapping. Mind mapping is a versatile technique that helps organize thoughts, enhance creativity, and improve memory. Start by placing a central idea or keyword in the center of a blank page or screen. Then, create branches as you brainstorm related concepts or subtopics. Mind maps allow your brain to efficiently store and retrieve information by utilizing spatial relationships between concepts. Memory trick 5: Repetition and practice. Repetition and practice are essential for long-term memory retention. By regularly reviewing and reinforcing information, you signal to your brain that it should prioritize storing and recalling that specific data. Whether you are studying for exams, learning a new language, or tackling a business presentation, consistent practice strengthens neural pathways and significantly improves memory performance. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can expect noticeable improvements in your ability to retain and recall information. Subscribe to the MGM School YouTube channel and follow us for more such videos. Like and share this video with your friends.